Alright, so we're headed out to Austin, Texas, liberal capital of Texas. Got a repair job to do on a precast parking garage and apartment complex. Something that really should stop because these people pay a lot of money in rent and the building owner should get what they pay for. So we'll give you a little better look at that here in a little bit. Here's the structural drawing showing the damage done to the parking garage roof. Inside material goes by laser setting the elevation limits. Here's the structural drawing of the outrigger assembly we'll be making. We'll be doing it on two sides mirroring each other.
You ever seen those extra thin soapstones?
Yeah.
Now after the guys have all the tubes tacked in, they will begin to install the top plates. With the plates tacked to the tubes, we now start installing the crib beams. go to Waffle House. It's been a long week. We got the guys here. Cheers to everybody.